What's up guys, TechTine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, as well as follow me on Instagram. It's at TechTine15 for latest updates on the channel, as well as sample pictures and things like that. And also, if you have any questions, the best way to reach me, the fastest way to reach me, is either in the comments. Well, no, not in the comments. It's on my Instagram, because I would respond faster there. I get flooded with comments, but since not a lot of people follow me on Instagram as of right now, then I will not get as many messages. So if you want quick replies, go ahead and go to my Instagram. You might as well follow me while you're there. I know this is a lot of plugging, but follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and shoot me a message if you have any questions or things of that sort. Okay, so today is kind of an interesting video. So LG decided to drop a new Stylo 5, and I can't really call it new, but stay with me. So they decided to drop the letter, So they decided to drop the letter X, and they came up with a Stylo 5X. As far as I'm concerned, from what I'm looking at from the box itself, I have not yet unboxed the phone, so I still don't know what it looks like. The specs kind of seem identical. The only addition that I see with my eyes is the fact that it has NFC. So let's unbox it, and I will be doing a comparison between the 5X and the 5 coming in the next video, so make sure you subscribe if you want to stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's all about. Okay, so right off the box you get your fast charger, as well as your USB-A to USB-C, and here's the phone itself. Okay, so here's the phone itself, and this looks exactly identical to the Stylo 5, but okay, so let's power it on, put it to the side. However, it will say the 5X when you turn it on. So I will be doing more research on it to see what the actual difference is between the 5 and the 5X. Maybe it's the same clock speed processor but upgraded. Maybe the RAM is faster. I know there's an addition of NFC, which is, I'm not sure. I don't think the Stylo 5 quite has NFC, but we'll see. So 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, 13 megapixel rear camera, a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Now, what would have been nice to me if they wanted to release like an updated version of the Stylo 5 is if they actually decided to add an additional camera on the back and make it like a dual lens setup. So that would have been cool, like the A20. So you'd have a primary lens as well as a wide angle. But hey, I don't work for LG, okay? And you have your fingerprint sensor on the bottom, power button on the right hand side, volume up on the left hand side, your SIM card and the SD slot. And the bottom, of course, you have your USB-C speaker, the stylus, and the 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as your tiny microphone. So let me set it up and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so the setup is finally complete, and still I'm kind of questioning the credibility of what LG is trying to do here. So like I said, as far as I'm concerned, the only real addition that I physically know, well, the only real addition that I know about is the addition of NFC. Everything else just seems the same. Maybe this phone is a little bit faster, or maybe that's just a placebo effect that I'm having right now, because I think that this is their new phone. And as also, I don't know, this is kind of a interesting idea that LG is having, but I definitely need to do my own comparison and my own testing. So I think the only way that I will be able to review this phone at this point is to just compare it to the Stylo 5. And like I said, this video will come right after this one. I just want to do enough tests on this one to see if it's actually worth getting over the Stylo 5, or if you have the Stylo 5 and you're thinking about upgrading. I don't know. As far as I'm concerned right now, like I said, this is not it. So I know this is not the most exciting video in the world. I expected it to be a little bit more exciting. but definitely maybe when I do the comparison it would make more sense to me and to you guys. So I want to end it here, and I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.